You Can Book Me tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use You Can Book Me. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on You Can Book Me, you could also use my affiliate links in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know this platform, it is an online scheduling tool that allows individuals and businesses to easily schedule appointments and meetings with clients and colleagues, in which it provides a simple way to share availability and let others book time slots directly into your calendar. And also users can customize their booking page with their own branding, set their availability, define meeting durations, and integrate with their existing calendar systems such as Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCloud. And You Can Book Me offers features like customizable booking forms, reminder emails, and ability to set buffer times between appointments. And to sign up, you could also click my affiliate links below the description or click the sign up for free button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page in which you can create your account using your Google account, your Microsoft, Facebook, and even by simply entering here your email address. But in those options, I'm going to choose to sign up using my Google account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to enter your name, then proceed by clicking the next button below to proceed. And after that, it will show you in here on this pop-up window to set your availability. All you need to do is to enter or select the number of hours of how long are your meetings for. And also below here, it will ask you when are you free to take bookings. And below here, you could simply customize your availability of days and time between them. So for instance, on Monday, I'm going to start at 7:45 a.m. And from here, you could also select your end time. So for instance, I'm going to enter here 5:15 p.m. And you could also do the same thing on this schedule. But as you can see, during weekdays, I am not available. And that is why there is no schedule during weekdays. And now after selecting or customizing your meetings or schedule, just proceed by clicking the next step button below here, in which upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter your booking page title. So as you can see, I just enter here, book me for haircut. And after that, below, you could also select your answer to their question, how do you want to meet? You can choose either Zoom meeting, Google Meet, or you could also set an address or place, or even choose no location at all. And after selecting or customizing this page, just click this Create My Booking Page button below here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. And as you can see on this pop-up window, you could also create a test booking by simply clicking on this button right here. You will be directed on the next tab. Alternatively, you could also click this Customize Your Page further. So let's say we're going to click this Create a Test Booking, in which you will be directed on the next tab. And from here, you can test the booking of how the booking works. So the first thing that you need to do is to select the date, then proceed by selecting the time that you are available, or the time that you will set an appointment. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter your first name, last name, and email address. Then you can proceed by clicking Confirm Booking button below here. So that is just basically how the test of booking works. Now to customize your page further, just click this button right here, and you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, it will show you a pop-up window of some of the guide that you could also use to start customizing your page in here. And you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here what, who, when, and any other options below. And aside from that, you could also navigate here or change your booking page link by simply clicking in here and just highlight this text or context right here and proceed by clicking or entering here the context or the booking page link that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to enter here haircut for men. Then proceed by clicking Save All Changes below to continue. Or you could also customize the booking page intro if you want to. Now moving on the left side panel under Who. From here you can simply link your calendar such as your Google Calendar and even use Teams, but you'd also need to have an upgrade account in order to use this feature, in which you can simply add here your teams and other members of your business that offers the same service. While under this When, you could also change the duration and availability of your services, in which you could also customize here your availability or schedule. While under Calendar Manage, from here you can switch on Calendar Manage availability, and you could also link your Google Calendar, Outlook, and integrate other platforms. And aside from that, on the left side panel, under Additional Options, from here you could also navigate other options including Availability, Rules, where it will show you some of the rules, including limit bookings, group bookings, fixed start and end date, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate here appointment types. You must have an upgrade account to do so. So let's say we're going to change or try the free trial by clicking on it and click Start a Free 14-day trial. And upon clicking on it, just all you need to do is wait for it to load, and after that you can now start doing the free trial. And as you can see under the appointment types, you can create here a new appointment type by simply clicking this button right here. And below you could also change or customize the intro per appointment. By clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and all you need to do is enter or change the appointment type name. So for example, I'm going to enter here VIP appointment. And below here, you could also change how long is your meeting for. You could customize it depending on your preferences. And for the price of this appointment, let's say I'm going to enter here $1,500 US. And aside from price, you could also change or add a description below here. And also, you will be able to see here the appointment type ID. And by clicking save all changes below here, you will be able to see that your appointment has now been saved. Since if we go back to this appointment type section, you will see here that the VIP appointment has now been set. And below you could also check these boxes to select more than one in the same booking or divide them into groups. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate booking form, in which it will show you here some of the booking questions that you might need to enter for the customers. We have here first name, last name, email, but you could also add question by clicking in here, in which you can add short answer, long answer, email address, phone number, checkbox, and many more. So for instance, I'm going to add phone number, and from here, it will show you the label and also the shorthand code. And now to proceed, just click disable changes, and it will now show you here under the questions that the phone number is now required for the customer to enter in there or when they try to set up an appointment. Now moving on to collect payments, from here you could see here, or you could link your Stripe by simply clicking on this page. The first thing that you need to do is to change the currency, then proceed by clicking this take payment for your bookings, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here to link your Stripe to YouCanBookMe, all you need to do is simply enter your email address of your Stripe in here. Now going back in here, aside from collect payments option, you could also navigate on the left side panel below here after booking, in which it will show you what the customer will see after they set their booking or appointment. And from here, you could also customize the context if you want to. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel notifications, in which it will show you the kinds of notification that the customer will see if the booking is cancelled or if the booking has been successfully set. Now moving on under calendar events, from here you will be able to see here your calendar event description, your calendar event title, and you can customize the context in here manually on this page. And aside from that, under styles and display, from here you could also change the availability layout, and from here you can even add a footer, password protected, booking page, and many more. While under language and time zone, from here you will be able to see here that you can set the time zone display and even choose your own language. And now if you're now done customizing your booking page, to proceed, just click the share button on the top right corner, and in this pop-up window, it will show you that you can share by copying the link, QR code, or even choose to share it using embed code in here, or through social media including LinkedIn, Twitter, and many more, or alternatively using QR code. And if you also want to upgrade your account by clicking this upgrade button on the top panel, you will be able to see here that you can purchase or upgrade up to $12 per month to have an upgrade account. So that is just how you can use YouCanBookMe. Thank you.